Here's the tube. We've cleaned it roughly 14 inches up. You don't have to be exact with it. Once it's cleaned up far enough. So we'll reinstall it to the car. Okay, the next job is out in front. This center slot here, which is a 5/16 slotted hole, this line here, the center of this, has to line up with the center of the holes. So I want you to mark the center of the holes, like that. Now we pick this level up in Home Depot, we use it. It's got a valley in the center, so it does self-center in a tube, within reason. It gives you a rough idea. So that's roughly center ways, right? You want to slide that up. The reason you want to do this, guys, is when you start cutting down the column, for those of you that are cutting it down, you're going to lose a slot. And this slot will correspond with the shifting box that has to be pointed up at all times. Okay? So the next job we're going to do now is we're going to measure the steering wheel position.